Today, I'm going to share with you my life lesson of how having balance in life will lead to abundance in all areas of your life. Coming right up. Hello, everyone. This is Keve. So today, let's talk about balance. So I first want you to think about a time where you were extremely obsessed about, achieving a goal. Like maybe you really wanted to win at some competition or race, or there was some type of new job you wanted, or maybe it was even, dating like a girl or guy. And what I found in my experiences doing this is whenever I obsessed about something just so much, and it was like the only thing I ever wanted, it always felt like that thing just got further and further away, like the harder I tried. And it's very strange, it's paradoxical, because you think the more effort you put into something, the more you think about something, the better your results are going to be. But the truth is, as soon as you kind of let go or kind of stop investing so much of your energy into that one thing, you start noticing the results come. And it's very strange, but it's been a very important lesson in my life, and I want to share it with you guys. So that's where the whole idea of, having balance in your life comes into play. So I really believe there's three big areas of your life which you should balance. One being health, that's like your fitness, making sure you're eating right, your relationships, your relationship with your family, your girlfriend, your significant other, and finally, just your finances and your job. So just think about the situation where, let's say you were building this business and this business was so important to you and you were investing 80 hours every single week, and eventually your business became extremely profitable. But once you get there, you look back, along the way, you completely neglected your own health. You were putting in these like long hours, and it's your health deteriorated, your sleep was worse, and also you stopped spending time with like your significant other. Is that business success worth it? And then the answer is no, because even though you have abundance now in this one area, these other two are lacking, and there's no way you can make up for that time. So what I want to kind of teach about this idea is a great way to balance everything that's going on in your life is, if you do have that goal of kind of building that business, if you can work a 40-hour week and just focus when you're at work completely on what you're trying to accomplish. Because I think a lot of the times, or in my life, I found that if ever I was working on a specific goal, I would sometimes just get distracted and start thinking about other things. Like right now, I'm being distracted. Kelly, come here. Dog break. So if you were at work, like, those 40 hours, then you should completely be present there, right? This is the idea of mindfulness. I made another video. You could check it out on how to just do a simple practice right there. So if you are in the moment in whatever you are doing, right? If you're with your significant other, just be there, be happy that you have these moments together. Be grateful, notice, how wonderful she is. If you're at work, then, focus solely on the goal. There's sometimes you have like a lot of meetings, or maybe your class is really long and, you start looking at your watch or whatever, but instead go back and see, what they're asking here, what they're, trying to accomplish. How can you kind of ask better questions to, learn more from that situation? And you're easily going to find out that the more mindful and present you are in whatever you're doing, the more that builds on everything else. So think about this situation where, let's say, instead of, when you're with your significant other, you just start thinking about, a work project or something. Dude, I paused there for a long second trying to catch my thought. So, you're with your significant other, but instead in your mind, you're just kind of thinking about this work project and, how you're going to focus that. Just by focusing on that project, you're spending all this energy. This energy is such a precious resource that you have, but no one seems to talk about, right? Everyone always talks about time and, oh yeah, your time is valuable, which, it is too, but so is your energy. You can only have so much energy in the day, no matter how many, Red Bulls or energy drinks you have, it doesn't matter. So when you're not present, your brain is literally just spending that, sugar and glucose, because your brain is a huge muscle that uses a lot of energy. So you're just burning that up thinking about other things. But if instead you were there in the moment and you were appreciating it and you were happy, you're almost feeling more energized. So pretty much the solution to everything is be present in those moments and whatever you're doing. And this is something that just takes time, because the more you obsess over that one goal, whatever it is, you should really ask yourself, why is this so important? And the answer is usually you're seeking validation from those results, right? Just by like winning this race, you'll think, oh, I'm the best like runner, but you should already know like that you are the best, right? That's in your mindset. You've already kind of lost the race before it even started if you're not sure about that. So I really encourage you guys just to be present whenever you're doing, take that time, just be there, be grateful for it, focus on the details, all those little things. And if you do this in everything you do, guess what? It's going to build up and you're going to start seeing results slowly but surely. So, I'm really grateful for you guys watching. I hope this was helpful. Please take a second to poke that like and subscribe button, and remember to stay positive.